Teaching kids kitchen skills at home is about more than just preparing food, it's about building confidence, independence, and lifelong healthy habits. Cooking together creates opportunities for learning, bonding, and fun. Whether your child is a toddler or a teen, there are age-appropriate ways to involve them in the kitchen. In this video, we'll break down practical tips, tools, and real-life examples for every age group, so you can start cooking with your kids safely and confidently. Let's explore how to turn everyday kitchen moments into valuable life lessons for your family. Many parents wonder, how do I actually start cooking with kids at home? The answer lies not just in what tasks children can do, but in how you guide them safely. The Culinary Guru Institute encourages parents to use cooking as a fun, practical way to teach life skills. With the right approach, cooking becomes an enjoyable and educational experience for everyone. By focusing on safety, encouragement, and age-appropriate tasks, you can help your child develop confidence and a love for food preparation. Step 1 is creating a kid-friendly kitchen space. Start with a dedicated workspace, like a non-slip mat or a child-height table, to ensure safety and build your child's confidence. Choose the right tools, blunt knives, small bowls, and colorful measuring cups that are easy for little hands to handle. Encourage independence by giving your child their own apron, spoon, or even a mini chef corner. A pro tip, set up a kid-only drawer with safe tools to keep sharp items out of reach and foster a sense of ownership. For children aged 3 to 5, kitchen time is all about simple, mess-friendly tasks. Take Ria, age 3, who loves tearing spinach leaves while her mom prepares dal. She feels proud of her green job. At this age, focus on activities like stirring, washing veggies, or tearing greens. Use plastic spoons, mixing bowls, and child-safe butter knives. A step stool helps them reach the counter safely. Remember, spills are part of the fun. Embrace the mess and let your little one explore. Kids aged 6 to 9 are ready to learn more complex skills like measuring and following instructions. This is the perfect age to introduce basic math through cooking. For example, Arav, age 7, enjoys measuring rice and learning about doubling recipes. Equip them with child-safe serrated knives, small graters with guards, measuring spoons, and picture recipe cards. Turn cooking into a game. Counting spoons or matching ingredients makes learning natural and fun. As children reach ages 10 to 13, they're ready for bigger responsibilities in the kitchen. They can handle beginner's chef knives with supervision, use frying pans, and prepare simple meals independently. Maya, age 12, bakes muffins every Sunday with her father's supervision for oven tasks. Teach important skills like knife safety, stirring hot food, and kitchen hygiene. These are skills they'll carry for life, building independence and confidence with every meal. Teenagers crave independence and are ready to take on real-world kitchen skills. Encourage them to plan meals, budget, and understand nutrition. Samir, age 15, takes charge of Friday dinners, planning the menu, shopping, and cooking chapati, dal, and salad. Equip teens with standard chef's knives, stovetops, ovens, blenders, and baking trays. Let them take responsibility for weekly meals to boost their confidence and prepare them for college life. Safety is key in any kitchen, especially when kids are involved. Set clear rules. Always wash hands before and after handling food, use a chopping board for cutting, and never cut in the air. Only use the stove or oven with permission and supervision. No running in the kitchen. Walk carefully to avoid accidents. And remember, cooking isn't finished until the kitchen is clean. Posting a kitchen rules chart on the wall helps kids remember these important guidelines. Motivation is essential for keeping kids engaged in the kitchen. Celebrate mistakes. Burnt cookies are just another learning opportunity. Give children the chance to choose a recipe each week to build ownership and excitement. Praise their effort, not just the outcome. For example, say, "You measured perfectly today." Focusing on the process helps kids feel proud of their progress and eager to try new things in the kitchen. Teaching kitchen skills at home builds independence, confidence, and healthy habits. Kids learn practical math and science through cooking activities, and they develop a better understanding of nutrition. Cooking together also strengthens family bonds and creates lasting memories. At Culinary Guru, children transform into confident, capable young chefs, one safe kitchen task at a time. These skills will serve them well throughout their lives. Parents often have questions about kitchen safety and motivation. Worried about too much mess? Set up a kids' cooking station with limited ingredients and a tray for spills. Wondering if your 10-year-old can use the stove? Yes, with guidance, start with simple tasks like boiling pasta or heating soup, and supervise closely. To keep teens motivated, involve them in meal planning and grocery shopping. Giving them ownership helps them stay engaged and learn valuable life skills. Having the right tools makes all the difference. For younger kids, choose plastic utensils, small bowls, and colorful measuring cups. Older children and teens can use chef's knives, frying pans, and even blenders under supervision. Keep a checklist handy so you always know what's safe and appropriate for each age. A dedicated drawer for kids-safe tools helps keep the kitchen organized and ensures everyone has what they need to participate. Looking for a hands-on experience? Culinary Guru offers a young chef's weekend camp where kids can learn professional kitchen skills, safety, and confidence in a fun environment. The camp takes place on Saturday, October 25, 2025, at Culinary Guru in Hyderabad. It's a fantastic opportunity for children to practice what they've learned at home, meet new friends, and build their culinary confidence. Spots fill up quickly, so consider enrolling your child soon. No matter your child's age, there are ways to make kitchen time safe and enjoyable. For little ones, focus on sensory activities and simple tasks. School-age kids can help with measuring and mixing, while preteens and teens can take on more responsibility, from meal planning to cooking full dishes. Always adjust your expectations and supervision based on your child's maturity and skill level. Remember, the goal is to build skills and confidence, not perfection. Teaching kitchen skills at home is a journey that benefits the whole family. Start small, celebrate progress, and enjoy the process together. With the right tools, safety rules, and encouragement, your child can become a confident, capable young chef. Whether you're making a simple salad or baking muffins, every moment in the kitchen is a chance to learn and connect.